हेलो फ्रेंड्स वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। तो आज मैं डिस्कस करी इंडियन पॉलिटीर किसी इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो स्टार्ट करवा आज फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हिच इज नॉट ए सेंट्रल सर्विस। ऑप्शन इंडियन पुलिस सर्विस, इंडियन फॉरेन सर्विस, इंडियन ऑडिट एंड अकाउंट सर्विस, इंडियन रेवेन्यू सर्विस। तो राइट आंसर ऑप्शन 1 इंडियन पुलिस सर्विस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the annual report of the UPSC is submitted to the President, the Supreme Court, the Prime Minister, the Chairman of the Union Public Service and Commission. The right answer option 1 the President. Next question, which of the following has the powers to create a new All India service? The option Parliament, Union Public Service Commission, Union Cabinet, Ministry of Personal Public Grievances and Pensions. The right answer option 1 Parliament. Next question, who appoints the Union Public Service Commission? Option Parliament, President, Chief Justice of India, Selection Committee. The right answer option 2 President. Next question, which one of the following is not an All India service? Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service, Indian Forest Service, Indian Economic Service. The right answer option 4 Indian Economic Service. Next question, by which act was the Public Service Commission established for the first time in India? Indian Council Act 1892, Indian Council Act 1909, Government of India Act 1919, Government of India Act 1935. The right answer option 3 Government of India Act 1919. Next question, the expenses of Public Service Commission of a state are charged upon option Consolidated Fund of India, Consolidated Fund of State, its own generated fund from fees, contingency fund. The right answer option 2 Consolidated Fund of State. Next question, which of the following is correct about Union Public Service Commission of India? It inspects the State Public Service Commission. It has nothing to do with the State Public Service Commission. All its members are taken from State Public Service Commission. It sends annual guidelines to State Public Service Commission. The right answer option 2. It has nothing to do with State Public Service Commission. Next question, the annual report of the UPSC is submitted to the President, the Supreme Court, the Prime Minister, the Chairman of the Union Public Service Commission. The right answer option 1 the President. Next question, The concept of judicial review in our constitution has been taken from the constitution of England, USA, Canada, Australia. The right answer, option 2, USA. Next question. The Constitution of India borrowed the scheme of Indian Federation from the Constitution of USA, Canada, United Kingdom, Ireland. Option 2, right answer, Canada. Next question. The federal system with strong center has been borrowed by the Indian Constitution from USA, Canada, UK, France. The right answer, option 2, Canada. Thank you.